The Bristol Guitar Making School 3-week course will take you on a journey to build your dream acoustic guitar. Using primarily hand tools, you'll be guided by a master craftsperson through the stages of bending the sides, carving the neck, voicing the soundboard, and much more. You'll have a choice of building your guitar from our wide range of in-house patterns and moulds. This includes OM, Triple O, Dreadnought, Gypsy Jazz and Parlour guitars that not only accommodate a multitude of playing styles, but also ensure that your instrument reflects your personal style. Once you've settled on the body shape, you'll have a variety of woods to choose from, selecting the top, back and sides, neck and fingerboard. Our wood store is always growing, but we keep a consistent stock of rosewood, maple, mahogany and walnut for the back and sides, and Sitka, European spruce and western red cedar for the tops. You will also have the option to select the machine heads for your guitar and a fitted Hiscox case to bring your finished instrument home in. The course covers a vast range of guitar making techniques. In the first week alone, you will have bent a set of guitar sides, carved your back braces and inlaid your own design of rosette into the soundboard. You'll also make a guitar neck from scratch, starting with a blank of wood, gradually carving it into a fully fretted, completed neck, ready for the exciting task of fitting it to the guitar body. No previous woodworking or guitar playing experience is necessary for the course, and even experienced woodworkers have found themselves learning new skills ranging from heat bending wood to fretting fingerboards to sharpening tools. At the end of the course, you'll proudly walk away with a guitar that you've built with your own hands. A guitar that not only sounds amazing, but holds sentimental value, a testament to your dedication and passion for music. So if you've ever dreamed of crafting your very own acoustic masterpiece, now is the time to make it a reality. Book your spot on our upcoming 3-week guitar making course and discover the joy of crafting an instrument that will resonate with you for a lifetime.